Welcome to the MainTrain 2020 virtual event, which will take place between September 15th and 16th. My name is Gaz Marino, and I'm the events coordinator. Please contact me if you have any questions about this demo or anything else related to PMAC events. As a sponsor, there are a few different ways to connect with potential clients who are delegates, speakers, and other sponsors for before, during, or after the live conference. I will not be going through each of the benefits, but instead showing you how you can use the MainTrain conference to promote your products and services through the Feedloop platform. We will be opening up the virtual platform on August 15th, and we'll have this space open until November 23rd. This way, as delegates register between now and the live event, they can familiarize themselves with the platform, create their own personal schedule for the live event, network with other delegates, and to get to know our sponsors and exhibitors. During the live event, there are a few features we will have for sponsors and exhibitors to connect with our delegates. I will cover these in a few minutes. After the live event, we will have all of the recorded sessions, PowerPoints, and papers uploaded to this platform for any registrants to view at their leisure. They will also have the opportunity to view our sponsors and exhibitor spaces. I'll start with the exhibitor section, and then I'll talk about the added benefits of a gold sponsor, and finally, what the benefits for a platinum sponsor look like. As an exhibitor, which is also included in the gold and platinum levels, your company will receive the following items. You are welcome to view these details on the 7th page of the sponsor and exhibitor package. What I'd like to go over is the virtual exhibit space. After you have signed up to become an exhibitor, you will receive 2 emails. The first email will be to the designated person who will be the attendee on behalf of your company. They will have the opportunity to enter all of their personal information. And as you can see here, this is me for PMAC. In the second email, they will receive access to the Feedloop platform. In that email, you will click on the Open Exhibitor Portal button, which will redirect you to the Feedloop platform. Let's actually go and take a look at what the platform looks like. In this portal, you will see that you have the capacity to edit all of the information for your company. Along with your company information that goes in this section, the section below are links that will also show up on the attendee portal. So please add as much information as you can. You can always come back and edit this section or anything else in your exhibitor portal. The design area is also a space where you can get creative and add logos, promos, and any other visuals you would like to represent your brand. There are recommended size, as you can see here, beside each of the items to ensure the best look. Here's the view that the attendees will come to at first. They will navigate to the exhibit hall where they will see companies listed. In this example, we're going to use PMAC as an exhibitor. You can see that we have added some of the details to their page using the exhibitor portal. You can see things like the emails, our website, our Twitter feed, and so on and so forth. Next, I'd like to show you around the lead retrieval. You can see here that Northern Lakes College has some work to do by adding some videos, more graphics, and links. When the attendees visit a virtual booth, they click on the Join Live button. I'm going to go ahead and actually click on that button. If Edith were here, who is a representative from Northern Lakes College, she would answer the call as if she were standing behind the booth and I were to walk up to her table to get more information about her company. Attendees instantly join the live video meeting with up to 25 attendees and exhibitor staff. Exhibit staff members can share their screen and run full presentations or demos in real time, as they would on site. They can ask questions and chat with exhibit staff over video, audio, and text. Attendees can also branch out into private video meetings with exhibit staff. They can visit a virtual booth as they normally would and can explore resources like files, videos, staff, links, graphics, and more. On their exhibiting organization profile in the exhibit hall and the general listing, visitors will be able to submit requests for information with contact information added automatically. And you can see those two here. These are all pre-filled and the attendee doesn't need to do any additional work. They would just submit and all their information would go to, in this case, Edith. And this button does the same as well. Exhibitors can also combine this with their lead retrieval functions to gather visitor contact information. You can see here in their portal, in their events networking section, booth managers will be able to track visitors in real time via booth subtab and start private chat. So you can see that I have visited Edith's booth at Northern Lakes College and my name shows up here. Any attendee initiated or captured leads along with notes the attendee submits will show up here in your exhibitor portal in real time. I've created a visual for you of all the components of the virtual exhibit space. This can be found on the last page of the sponsor and exhibitor package. I hope that explains a little about how the virtual exhibit hall works. So for the gold sponsor, there are additional ways to get your brand out to the attendees. You can find these details on page 5 of the sponsor exhibitor package. Please note that as a platinum sponsor, you will receive all of the exhibitor and gold benefits in addition to the platinum benefits. The item I really wanted to expand on today is the session sponsors. Once you've come on board, I will ask you which 2 sessions you would like to sponsor. You will then need to provide me with up to a 1-minute pre-recorded video. This video can be different or the same. Use this time to promote any of your products or services you may think is relevant to your attendees. On the attendee side of things, this is what it looks like. They will again enter into the lobby, go into the sessions, and be able to click through. They will be able to scroll through the sessions they would like to attend, and if they would like to read more, they can expand the sessions and view the speaker profile. In this case, you can see that Northern Lakes College is the session sponsor. Their logo has shown up on the session title, and when I, as an attendee, click on the session, I can see now that Northern Lakes College is promoting a cute pet video. These videos will be played right before the session starts live and will be captured in the recording. This way, when attendees view the sessions after the live event, your video will be viewed before they view the rest of the presentation. Please note that between platinum and gold, the sessions are first come, first served. Also, the videos may not be changed after you have sent them. The platinum sponsorship comes with a unique 10-minute speaking opportunity during the plenary session. Just like the breakout session, your logo and pre-roll video will be linked to the keynote and welcome addresses. For the live event, you may either present live or you may wish to pre-record a presentation. This presentation will be shown after the welcome address and before the keynote. This plenary presentation is also recorded and added to our recorded sessions, where any attendee can view post-conference at their leisure for up to 2 months after. So really, as a platinum sponsor, you will have the opportunity to sponsor 3 sessions, 1 plenary and 2 breakouts. Again, these are first come, first served. I hope that answers some of your questions, but please feel free to reach out and go over anything you would like to be clarified. Again, my name is Gaz Marino, and I am the events coordinator for PMAC. I look forward to bringing you on as a sponsor for MainTrain 2020 online conference and meeting you virtually in September to connect, learn, and contribute.